Congratulations, no ID.
Oh my God. Ito yun? Ano ito? Metro Gate.
O, Metro Gate din yun. Pwede din doon kung tutuusin. Tagusan lang din yun.
Head northeast toward Gabriel Street,
Ayan
then turn
na.
right at Gabriel Street. Right at Gabriel Street.
To Barcelona.
God!
Ito na yun. Ito na yun. Ayun na yun. Yun na yun.
Northwest on Gabriel Street.
Alam ko ito, please. Ayun na yun, di ba, mami? Panipo na yan, no? Hindi na tayo nag-park na all.
Itong mga bahay na to. Itong buti itong mga bahay na malapit.
O, yung tubig ninyo, dala nyo na. Yung tubig nyo. Oh, wala na ginawa ng ano. Kasi may nabalitaan nila yung nag-zoom dyan noon. Dito nag-park si daddy noon eh.
Pwede pa.
Yan, sa loob tayo.
Oo, sa loob naman talaga. Yay!
You are here.
Kinakabahan na ako.
I'm happy to see all my teachers. Sino yun? Nakatayo na doon.
Sino?
Ah.
Gas bar.
Oh my God.
Faster.
Experience of our steps. Third line coaches, invite Mr. Ariel as Coach Christian.
And 5, 6, and 7, 8, 10. Take your seat. Okay, second. And 5, 6 left, 1, 2, and 3. 4 and 7. Okay, take your seat. Okay, Landon, take your seat. Ready?
First one. One more. Alek, kaya na yan. Pwede naman. Group two. First two. May yell pa yan. Bago mag-ganon. O, pakita niyo sa kanila. Okay, gagawin tayo ha. May yell tayo. Look at your teachers. Bago maghawak kamay. Pakita ng teachers. Hold hands. Hold hands. Wala mo nang hold hands. May yell tayo ha. 1, 2, 3. Hold hands. Peace and bow. Woo! Nice. And then i-exit natin. Nasaan yung line natin? Very good. Fast in line tayo always, ha? That's how we do it at PA. Orderly and
Of the impact of the BACFA way in our lives. This team has been our guiding light this year.
It is a reminder that success is not merely measured by excellent grades or achievements, but by love, integrity, and fellowship over some challenges.
Today, we celebrate not only our academic achievements, but also the personal growth and the transformative experiences we learn.
After 10 months
Grade
of
8.
learning via
Si
online,
Ina yun, te.
this week there.
Mas matangkad siya kayo.
We did not just recite, write, and count.
We learn the keys and the tools needed to this lifelong journey.
We didn't just read or learn lessons from our books.
We understood what true knowledge means.
We did not just sing, dance, and perform.
We discovered our gifts and talents and made us believe in ourselves.
We did not just play and had fun.
We built friendships and created lasting memories with our teachers, classmates, and friends.
We didn't just go to mass, watch Bible movies, pray, and learn values.
We developed a deeper understanding of God's love and grace.
We did not just go to school,
We learned life here.
I am Jana.
I am Rian C. Escal.
I am Rian Bon Luis Pinilla.
We are BASFA Life Learners.
We are alive, we are blessed, we are the best.
We live our lives to the fullest.
Thank you. God bless us all.
Alright, sigaw. Hold hands. Yun.
Ay, magbabasketball ka pa.
Sabi sa ni Sir Leo, tanggalin ko na kanina. Hindi na daw kailangan. Wala ba yung ano sa basket?
Uy, wala. Air drying. Parang kanya, laruan sa...
Ano ba?
Wala silang kapwa, baka pwede, marami tayong kapwa, di ba? Yan o. Girls, Ina, para yung anin, dyan silang lahat, katabi ni Inigo, yung anin. See?
More towards this direction, ha? Tingin sa stage director. Perfect. Nice. With the power vested upon me by the Department of Education and the Board of Trustees of Barcelona Academy, I now declare you You pa lang. Sa pa, hands down. I now declare you.
Hawak.
One more, hands down. Maaaring sabihin ni Ma'am Tess, declare or proclaim. Basta yung Q is you. I now proclaim you graduates.
Lima.
Dalawa pala yun. Graduates and completers. Graduates para sa grade 6, completers para sa grade 10.
Lima.
Balik mo na yung tassels right side. Very good. I now proclaim you
Hawak.
yan. Hawak ka lang, ha? Graduates and completers. Congratulations.
Wow.
Okay, Ma'am Tess.
Para
Face the crowd.
And bow. And
Yay! Doon ang papalakpak.
with matching sigaw, pwede. Okay? Ulitin natin sa part na yun.
Girls. And step. Okay lang.
They
now okay.
They are now ready for your confirmation.
Sa'yo yun. Ikaw na magsasabi.
Ikaw na po kasi ikaw yung last na magsasalita. Thank you.
Grade 10 prophecies. We have 14 boys and 14 girls. They are now waiting for your confirmation. Thank you. Then, sabay na kayo. Go to your designated place on stage. Check.
Kung ano yung galing sa left, don't worry, wala naman ito during the day or meeting. So, pwede kayong i-operate sa akin. With the power vested upon me by the Department of Education and the Board of Trustees of Barcelona Academy and Catholic Filipino Academy Online, I now declare you graduates and completers. Congratulations! It's the crowd. Hey! Celebration yan ha, masaya. And then you exit.
Grade 10 exit. Dumaan kayo kung saan din kayo lumabas. Yung cup ninyo, make sure that the point is up in front of your eyes, in front of your face, para kapag nag-transfer kayo ng hassle, hindi kayo nalilito.
I believe naman napanood nyo naman na yan. Okay? So we just do it by group. Alright?
Bawal.
Where are you? Asan ka? Saan?
Okay. Ready tayo. Okay, hawak, up. Sabay-sabay tayo. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nakalagay niyo ulit. Okay? Next. This group. Sila na. Okay? Girls then goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then, 8. Then, upo. Okay, ready tayo. Madali tayo. 1, 2, sabay ito ha. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, upo. 4, 3, 2, 1. Next. Kayo naman. Okay, tatayo kayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kayo naman simple. Ulit. 1, 2, po naman. Sasabayin ha, pagkatayo nyo, kayo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 5, go, 4, 3, 2, 1. Carry. Okay. Next, group number 3. Yan. Tama. Okay, yun po yung figure 1. Wait, up, wait. Ikot, 3, 4, balik. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapos ang laging step ng live the moment, love the memories. Live the moment, love the. Okay? And then, bago tayo pumunta sa True. Ay, wow. Ready? Up, down, up, down, up, down. Group 1, ready?
Straight lang and go to your left.
from the top. Okay. Up, down, up. Group 1. 1, 2. And very good. Now. And ikot. Upo. Next. Ayo. And ayo. Face the audience. Lift the mic. Chorus. And 1, 2, 3, 4.
sila. Okay? Position. Habang sila nandoon, mga pagpasok ka lang, show us that you're happy. And then, say, you're gonna be outside. Getting ready for your step. Oh, yeah. Long live na ba yun sila? Sa long live. Upong sexy, upong sexy. Ma'am, hindi pwede doon. Ma'am, cut. Graduate na ako. Go back, go back. Vested upon me by the Department of Education. Kanya. Pag narinig niyo yung you hold your asset. And then, ano pang hawak nila? Left or right na hand? Left. Okay, ganito yan. Yan. So, pag narinig niyo you, hawak, across your face or your chin, yan, hawak yung tassel. Hindi naman kailangan buo, ha? Yung dulo lang ng tassel. Okay? The tip of the tassel. Okay, sample. Hold. Don't cover your face. Okay. It will not hold. Hold it, in a sexy manner. Okay, there. Ganito po ang hawak. Yan, hawak. And then, itataas, baliktad. That's the sign, the symbol that you are already confirmed graduates and completers. Hi! Those who are online, okay, so listen to me when I say, when you hear the word right, 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 nasaan ang right? Pag nakita, smart. Smile. Again, no extra movement. Huwag kasi, ganito yung paglipat ko. Nalilipat na yung asset. Okay? Smart lang. Angat. Para talaga lang. You don't need to jump. Okay? Excited. Anak, Joaquin. Tingin kay Sir Daniel, okay? Department of Education and by the Board of Trustees of Barcelona Academy and Catholic Filipino Academy, I now pa lang eh. You, okay? I now proclaim you graduates and completers! Congratulations! Woo! Yeah. Parang hindi kayo masaya. 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at Sir Daniel.
Ay,
Yung hindi nakakita, i-confirm. By the power of the Spirit of you, by the confidence. I you not yet. Okay, hold that. Hold. I now declare you graduates and completers. Congratulations! Ano yan? Parang stage show lang yung ano. Genuine ba yung yung saya nyo? Genuine? O, di ba nakakiti sila, Hi kayo sa kanila. Hi! Alright, after that, ninyo half bow lang. Okay? Baka malaglag yung cup nyo. Okay? Hawak kamay. Again, hawak kamay. Sabay-sabay taas. Ready? Hawak kamay. Hawak kamay. Baba muna, baba. Okay. Ready? Hawak kamay. Huwag nyo nang pansinin yung tasan nyo kung nasa left or right. Ready? Go. Then, sabay-sabay. Bow, half bow lang. Okay. Para walang malaglag ang cup. Yay! Okay. Break time. Once again, our grade 6 graduates. Okay, ups, wait. When you go, ups, down, up, smart, up. Woo! Ay, sabay. Malinaw na?